Hello everybody, welcome to the channel, Man Mick here. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. This video is regarding the Zontes 350E, and it's a dealer training video in English to actually unpack the bike when they purchase or receive the bike, should I say, at the dealers. This is a dealer video, but enjoy. It's quite a long video, so please go to whatever section you like, but it's been speeded up for you. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget there's over 1,500 videos in our playlist on each of the Zontes models and actually how to do certain things to your bike. Please like, subscribe to join our journey if you haven't already. Please do so. I will sign off now and play some music for you so you can watch the video in leisure. This is Man Mick signing off. I'll speak to you all later. Bye for now.